Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing photo editing on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a photo, remove the background color, adjust the photo, change the color of photo to back the photo, front the photo, duplicate the photo, change the background color, different color of photo. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.